Hey, in this video, I will show you how to paper trade on TradingView. It's actually going to be a very simple tutorial, and all you have to do is watch the video until the end. Slap the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe because I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers. Also, if you want to trade with up to $200,000 of other people's money and keep 90% of the profits, the link for that is in the description down below. And sorry, that's my alerts for trading. And also, if you actually want to trade altcoins with the lowest fees, I've got a very good bonus if you watch the video until the end from my sponsors at MEXC. Okay, I finished the trade. So what you want to do is go to TradingView, have a link for it if you haven't signed up in the description down below. Then you want to go to chart right here, which is the first option. And when the chart loads up, all we have to do is this trade guide, my chart layout and everything else. You can also start a new chart. For some reason, my computer is a little slow right now. I'll load up a new chart. Right here. So we start the process from the beginning. I use this one. And now we can switch to Bitcoin's chart. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can do the same thing for Forex pairs or indices, commodities, stocks, everything else. You want to go at the bottom where it will say paper trading. If it doesn't say it here, you want to click right here. Click this button, click on connect. And then on the left side, right here, actually at the center, you have paper trading. Click connect, connect. When we do that, it will have a starting balance that we can change. If we use the options on the left, let me hide my screen so you can see that. Here it is. We can click reset paper trading account if you want to try another strategy. You can see what commissions you would want to have based on your broker settings, trading settings, all of that. You can fix that from here. I believe you can also, trading settings. You can change your balance. You can have it at a higher rate or lower rate. And the way you place your trades is the same like any other broker, but from here. For example, if you want to buy some Bitcoin, you would buy it right here. You would have it right here. And you can just close the trade. And we just made 30 bucks. Just like that. That's all you have to do. It's very simple. If you still have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. And I would love to help you out. And since you stayed until the end, here is the bonus. There's a few days left to actually claim it. You want to sign up for MEXC using my link in the description down below, and then sign up for the MEXC event. That's all you have to do. If the video helped you out, slap the like button and want to see you next one. Bye.